Now we are discussing about chemical options in that rubber gloves manufacturing. How are rubber gloves manufactured? Rubber gloves are manufactured by dipping a farmer that mimics the shape of a hand. That means to make glove types that have a lining, the farmer is fitted with a woven glove in a liquid, compounded latex, and then drying. Next point is, what is the manufacturing process of gloves? The process usually involves incorporation of air into the compounded latex, concentrated usually with the use of a foamer. A gelling agent is then introduced and the foamed latex is allowed to gel in a mold. Curing is carried out at sun percent C, that is 100 degrees C, after which the product is washed and dried. And next point is, what are rubber gloves made from? The most commonly used raw materials of the production of gloves are natural rubber latex, that is generally referred to as a latex. Then nitrile butadiene rubber, or simply nitrile, and polyvinyl chloride, commonly called vinyl, or PVC gloves. We also used synthetic polyisoprene to manufacture certain products. And the next point is, what chemicals are in rubber gloves? Chemical auxiliaries such as carbamates, thiorames, and 2-mercaptobenzodiazole, that is MBT, and one of 3-diphenylguanidine, DPG, in rubber gloves are proven contributing factors to contact allergies. And the next point is, what are the two methods of producing rubber? Industrial rubber components are usually manufactured by one of the following methods: injection molding using strip compound produced as previously described. Compression molding requires secondary operations to process material into suitable forms of the correct weight and are shaped to suit particular products. And next point is, which chemical is used in gloves? Nitrile is a synthetic rubber material that offers chemical and abrasion resistance and is a very good general duty material for gloves. And next point is, what are the four types of gloves? Different type of disposable gloves: nitrile gloves, latex gloves, vinyl gloves, and poly gloves. Next point is, what type of rubber glove is best? Disposable surgical type gloves are appropriate for incidental contact. Nitrile gloves are a preferred over latex because of their chemical resistance, their tendency to visibly rip when punctured, and to prevent possible latex allergies. Next point is, what is the power in rubber gloves? The powered gloves usually contain cornstarch powder, which is added as a dyeing agent. The powder absorbs the latex particles and behaves as a carrier, which predisposes to allergy. And second is, the amount of powder used in gloves varies. And next point is, what is the difference between latex and rubber gloves? Latex gloves are made of natural rubber that fits comfortably and protects from viruses and bacteria. And nitrile gloves are made of synthetic rubber that resists punctures and harsh cleaning chemicals, but impedes range of motion. And the next point is, what is the main ingredient in rubber? generally latex. Natural rubber is made from latex, liquid tree sap, latex that comes from a variety of trees and plants. Most of the latex comes from the Hevea brasiliensis tree. And next point is, what are the main ingredients in the synthetic rubber? Common monomers used to make synthetic rubbers include styrene, butadiene rubber, nitrile rubber (NBR), and butyl rubber. Chemical agents are used to turn the individual polymers into polymer chains. This forms a rubber substance. What are the common rubber manufacturing processes? Some of the most common rubber manufacturing processes are extrusion molding and calendering. The rubber extrusion process is one of the most common processes for manufacturing rubber products and begins with a rubber compound being fed into the extruder. What is the strongest groove material? Goat's skin. Goat skin is the strongest and most durable type of leather. Its natural lanolin in the skin makes the groove very supple, waterproof, and abrasion resistant. The material is excellent for tasks involving fine dexterity. And next point is, what is class 0 glove? Cartus, that is CATUS, class 0. Insulating gloves provide electrical and protection when working near live voltages up to 1000 volts. Plus LV means low voltage gloves have been tested up to 1500 volts and are certified for use up to 1000 volts according to IEC 60903 and EN 60903 standards. And the next point is, what are class 00 gloves used for? Cartus, that is CATUS. Class 0 insulating gloves provide electrical hand protection when working near live voltages up to 500 volts. LV, that means low voltage gloves, have been tested up to 750 volts and are certified for use up to 500 volts according to IEC 60903 and EN 60903 standards. This is the information regarding rubber gloves manufacturing. So, especially rubber gloves, especially you should have the resistance of 1000 volts. For that, making is also will be done with testing, and all these gloves will be made. So, rubber gloves will be made. This is the information. It will be useful to the in construction industry also. Workers should use electrical users also then use this. So it is also safe to the human body, and once a human is there means it is an asset to the world, because human services are valueless in the world. So we should bless all them. So rubber gloves are most important, and it is profitable also to start. Wishing you all the best.